TechTeach is a distance learning program through the Challenger Learning Center of Wheeling Jesuit University. We provide professional development workshops and curriculum packages to educate both pre-service teachers and current educators on how to flip their instruction. Flipped learning is a method in which direct instruction is moved from the group learning space to the individual learning space, and the resulting group space is transformed into an interactive learning environment. The advantage to a flipped lesson is that teachers are able to maximize interaction with students, guiding them one-on-one as they apply new concepts and engage creatively with the subject matter. TechTeach has collaborated with a team of expert educators to develop two types of programs. First, a curriculum package for college instructors of pre-service teachers. This includes a 3-hour video conference connection with TechTeach advisors. Next, our professional development program for current educators is designed to serve teachers of all grade levels and subject areas during a 4-hour video conference workshop.
Before the workshop today, I've had some flip training in the past, and I was less than enthusiastic about it. I've had mixed results, but after today, I think that it's really something I'll use in my classroom and benefit the student.
Through a session with TechTeach advisors, both pre-service and current educators will actively participate and utilize programs to create meaningful lessons. They'll discover the basics of flipped learning. They'll download and experiment with a variety of screencasting tools. They'll learn how to package and distribute their video so that it is easily available to students. And we'll also discuss examples of what to do within class time, focusing on how best to maximize that face-to-face time with students that's so important.
I think the training was great. It really showed me how to utilize classroom time and how to shift a lot of the time, what I would now consider downtime, to outside the classroom where students were getting the direct instruction, really basic level knowledge, and moving more of like the upper level kind of thinking skills and practices into my classroom so that I could get the interaction with my students and help push them along that way.
To learn more about the programs that TechTeach offers and to schedule your own workshop, visit the website today. The Challenger Learning Center also has distance learning programs called eMissions. eMissions are simulated, problem-based learning adventures that are delivered right into the classroom via distance learning technology. Your class will assemble as an emergency response team and then connect to the Challenger Learning Center, the flight director at Mission Control. All teams work together with Mission Control to handle the problem situation as the scenario unfolds. Every few minutes, new data is received in the classroom via satellite, and your teams perform calculations, create graphs, and assess the situation. The expert teams in your class then make recommendations to Mission Control based on their analysis.
The first thing I'd like to let you know and inform you is we received a call from NASA very early this morning. They have asked us to connect with your classroom to help NASA out with a problem. So this lost spaceship is called the Distant Discovery, and it was traveling to all of the outer planets. The mission commander sent us a warning signal to Earth Mission Control just 4 days ago. They have lost all their navigation systems aboard their ship, so your teams are going to help us find and rescue the lost ship today. So do you all copy that? Over?
Yes! On Mission Day, your class will turn into a hub of activity as your students use teamwork, communication, and problem-solving skills to avoid disasters and save lives. Research indicates that this is the best way of learning. It leads to improved critical thinking skills. The impact of this fast-paced, engaged learning environment will help you create lifelong learners in your classroom.
Trip out will be one day. 18 food packs made for the round trip.
Okay, and how many crates?
9.
Okay, Jupiter is right on schedule. Good job to our cargo team. Jupiter, they got the report in. Make sure they update the chart.
Each eMission provides a website with standards-based materials, activities, and lesson plans to help you prepare your students pre-mission. We have a variety of eMission packages available, so check out the website to select which one would best meet the needs of your class. Our other distance learning program for students is called eLabs. eLabs are virtual and interactive lessons in various science subjects such as physics, chemistry, life science, and earth science. They include a live 1-hour video conference event. During an eLab, scientists perform experiments and demonstrations. They guide students through difficult concepts while asking and answering questions. Students engage in prediction and interpretation of results through continuous interaction with a lab specialist. All eLabs also contain pre-lab and post-lab lesson plans for you to use in your classroom. To learn more about our distance learning programs, please visit the websites you see here. We look forward to connecting with you.